Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Tater with you again. I'm in a 1963 Ford Falcon 2-door. Has a 302 transmission. I mean a 302 motor, automatic transmission. I've been sitting at the car wash. This car has been running for probably, from our shop to the car wash, probably 30 minutes. It's kicking 180 degrees. Take her out. Just kept it running while I was washing it. Kind of do a little drive for you. It does not have power steering. It does not have power brakes, but it drives good. It's a little hot rod, a little fixer-upper, but it still runs and drives great. It's got aftermarket gauges on it. It's at an idle about 900 RPMs. Kicking about 30 pounds of oil pressure. It's charging, and we're like at 185. Like I say, shift's good. Got a little bit of power for a little 302. Like I say, guys, it's a good driver. Like I say, I'm 6'3", 275 pounds, and you can tell I got a little bit of room left. I had a pretty good lunch today, so it's sticking out a little more. We have not detailed this. I just ran it up to the car wash to rinse it off and do a drive video for you guys. Hope the audio is okay, but I gotta have the window down because it's a little warm. It does not have AC. Whenever I stop up here, I'll do a walk around with it. It's charging great, good oil pressure. Car been set for a little bit whenever we got it, so we're about 2 miles out of town, or a mile out of town from Eldon Mo, so I felt comfortable enough to drive it. It runs great. And remember, guys, you can always go to the raceshop.com. Make sure you put .com on there so you can get to us and check out all of our inventory, do the drive videos, t-shirts, all of our cool stuff. It's a cool place to come and visit, right here in mid-Missouri, Eldon, Missouri, right on Business 52 and Highway 54. If you find the truck stop outside of town, we're directly across the street. You cannot miss us, believe me. We got a 7,800 square foot showroom. We keep about 24 to 26 cars in there. We got cars outside. We got a hoopty line all the way from $1,000 on up to $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 cars. Like I say, this thing has not been detailed yet. We're going to run it through the shop, and we want to give you an idea how it runs and drives. I'm doing 55 miles an hour at about 2,500 RPM, so it's got a little bit of a gear in it. Turn signals work, and even got a little beeper to let you know that they're on. Headlights work. Like I say, it's been running for about 40 minutes now, and I'm still at 180 degrees. Have you seen the quietest thing in the world? But it's a good driver if you're into these old Falcons. And when you hit the brakes, it pulls a little bit to the left. It's just a cool old hot rod that you can fire up, take to work, take the car cruises and work on it, and put it at your own thing. It's got some big wide tires on the back that rubs just a little bit. Of course, I'm a big boy, so we try to be honest with our drives. Like I say, this is a good car to get into, drive it, don't have to worry about it, don't run hot, the brakes seem to be working fine. Say it just needs to be drove a little bit, and we'll go from there. I'm going to pull over here and do a walk around with you. It's about 78 degrees here in mid-Mo, and I'm still running at 180 degrees. It does not smoke, it didn't smoke or rattle when I started it. It needs a little love here and there, but that's what's cool about buying this thing. You can just get in it and work on it at your leisure. At an idle, it's got 40 pounds of oil pressure, kicking 180, charging. We always carry a battery pack with us just in case something happens. That's the only reason we keep it around. Interior's pretty nice. It does not have a headliner. Back seat, good shape. Racing seats in it. It's a cool little car. Cool little car. It's painted hot rod black. Got a nice set of aluminum wheels, Cooper Cobras on it. I expressed for sure that we have not detailed this thing yet, so we just want to give everybody a chance to look at it and see how it runs and drives. Got a fuel cell in it. Floorboards look pretty nice in it. It had a roll cage in it at one time and the guy cut it out. Like I say, it's hot rod black, brand new rims, brand new tires. Windows work fine. There's really no flaws on the body or the paint, really, for hot rod black. And again, it does have a chip right there in the window. Right there. Like I say, we have not detailed this thing yet, so. There she is, kids. 1963 Ford Falcon 302 automatic. Ride and drive it and work on it as you want. Make it your own. And again, check us out at theraceshop.com. Always put the .com on there for sure. Man, what a nice day. Woo. Your honey would like to be cruising around with you in this. Hey, buy it for your lady. Anyway, peace out. Always remember to stand on it when you get a chance. I mean, stand on that bitch and let her eat.